Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On this video we're going to make a classic cognac based sidecar. This drink goes back to World War I, right, in the 1920s. The name sidecar is debatable who came up with it. There's like some French bars and American bars that say they did it, and it was named by a guy after a guy who arrived on a motorcycle sidecar. But anywho, let's get started. First, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of cognac of your choice. I got some Douce for all my cognac drinking friends. Next, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of some Cointreau. You can use whatever triple sec orange liqueur that you want, but we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce. Last, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of a fresh lemon juice. I've already squeezed it, just makes it easier. Now I'm going to add some ice. You can smell that cognac. Cognac has a unique smell to me. I mean, I'm sure to everyone else also. Give this a good stir. Get it nice and chilled. Next, I have a sugar rimmed glass. You can skip the sugar rim part. This falls as a more drier drink, so the sugar helps break that up. And there you have it. A sidecar. Cheers. It says something for a drink to survive 100 years. Because this drink is from the 20s, the 1920s. And you don't get the cognac taste in it as much. The lemon, and believe it or not, it works well with this sugar rim. I really like this. I'll be making these for my cognac drinking friends. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.